For nearly 20 years, I built a thriving cleaning business by doing things differently. We eliminated first-time in fees and focused on delivering real value to clients from day one, all while ensuring we never lost money on that first clean. Want to know how this strategy helped us stand out, win loyal repeat clients, and keep competitors' clients coming to us? Stick around, and I'll show the exact approach that can transform your business and build trust with every visit. Hi, I'm Sharon Tinberg, founder of Clean Smart Academy, where we turn regular people into extraordinary cleaners. Let me go back to showing you how it worked. And I'm here to tell you how we managed not to charge a first-time in charge and win a lot of clients from our competitors without losing money on that very first visit. The key is we didn't tackle heavy cleaning tasks during that first visit. Instead, we focused on getting the major areas, like kitchens, bathrooms, and dusting, back into good shape. This approach ensured we didn't lose money on that very first clean. While it's not a big profit maker up front, it also wasn't a giveaway. We kept things manageable and by saving heavy periodic tasks for later visits. Here's how you can hedge your bets with this approach as well. Ask new clients to sign a contract for a minimum of 5 cleanings. Why? Because after 5 visits, you'll have rotated through all the periodic tasks that make a home sparkle, like baseboards, cabinets, and other detailed touches. By then, their home will feel like it's been deep cleaned every quarter without that upfront cost. It's a win-win for you and them. And want to go a step further? Add a quick fridge wipe down every 5th visit. I'm not talking about a deep clean. That's still a $50 add-on. But a quick swipe to remove, that mysterious white residue under the milk cartons? Seriously, where does that come from anyway? It wasn't there 30 years ago. Believe me, clients notice this small touch and love it. And because it's included in your rotation, it sets you apart from the competitors who charge extra for every little thing. By advertising this added value, you'll stand out in the market. Prospective clients who've been told by competitors that a refrigerated cleaning costs $50 every single time will be drawn to your service. And when you get them on the phone, be honest. Tell them it's just a wipe down, not a deep clean. A deep clean will be $50 with you as well. But it's also the perfect opportunity to highlight all the other benefits of your approach, like rotating through tasks like wet wiping baseboards and windowsills, things that your competitors definitely charge more money for. This strategy, however, isn't just about pricing and winning your clients. It's about integrity. It shows clients you're invested in the long-term cleanliness of their home, not just a one-time sale. It demonstrates the essence of our theme for this year, excellence in performance, and especially when performing maintenance of a repeat client's home. Regardless of what my client's visitor is looking at, I always want to be proud when they say, my company, Clean Smart Company, cleans their home. If you have questions about how to implement this approach or need a script to sell it to your clients, reach out. At Clean Smart Academy, we're experts at keeping your clients happy and your business thriving, which does bring us to my final topic. This approach for growing your company only works if you keep that repeat client for the full 5 cleanings and thereafter. That will only happen if your cleaners follow a process that guarantees they will clean a home perfectly every single time they clean it. I encourage you to take a look at Clean Smart Cleaning System and remove the biggest barrier of all, a cobweb in the corner or a line buildup around a $1,500 gold fixture. Let's build relationships, not barriers. and create lasting success together. Until next time, happy cleaning.